This video is sponsored by Professional Photographers of America. Become a better photographer, get equipment insurance, and so much more. Hey, first of all, Happy New Year to you all. And it's going down like Chinatown this year because I'm going to be leveling up my photography. So let me take you behind the scenes from this New Year's Eve shoot with the wifey. I got the Godox VL150 light here, paired up with the Godox SA17 projection attachment. Whew, that's a mouthful. That's giving me a spotlight look. I'm going to do an entire breakdown of this attachment and also how I used it with flash in my next video. Stay tuned for that. I have this one set to light blue, it's facing her back. I have this one set to pink, that's facing her straight on. And then I have another one that's set to pink, that's hitting the background. I took a couple photos using a spotlight and it looked okay, but I wondered how it would look if I put it off to the side so that light was only hitting her face and there was no shadow behind her. And that looked even better. I wanted a disco party vibe to this shot, so I added a $70 DJ party light to spray the background with designs. I removed the white spotlight, so only the pink and blue LEDs were lighting the photo. I'm using the Sony a7R III and the 85 1.8 lens, and in front of the lens is a Moment Cinebloom filter that's giving me those soft highlights and retro vibe to this photo. Now that we got those shots in the bank, let's switch it up. Here comes a spin transition and a whoosh sound. Oh, there we go. I asked Diana to stand in the corner because of how the light reflected off the mirror ball. The key to this is positioning the spotlight right in front of her so that the circle is perfectly circular, and then you want to expose for the brightest part of the image. I changed the angle of the spotlight, and this time it created a wallpaper of spots on the wall. Yeah, it may not look very flattering on her face, but it's less about technicality and it's more about just being creative for this one. Two things when composing this shot. One, you want to make sure that you fill the frame with the spots. And two, again, expose for the brightest part of the image. For my last shot, I kept almost everything the same, but this time I added an LED light to shine on the mirror ball. And with the 35mm lens, I was going to use the highlights it created as a foreground element in this photo. If you like this style video, I have a lot more like this one coming in 2021. But first, we need to get down to business, okay? Listen to me. Listen to me. Are you a member of PPA? Professional Photographers of America? Because I think you should become a member. I've been one for a while, and you will not only get up to $15,000 worth of equipment insurance, but you're also gonna have access to data loss recovery services, you know, when you know what hits the fan. And you're also gonna get access to customizable contracts. PPA recently updated their educational program, which features over 900 online videos and tutorials that's gonna help your business. It's gonna improve your branding, and we all know how important that is nowadays. And info on topics that I also need help with, like entrepreneurship. I suck at it, I need to get better. PPA also provides like sales, marketing resources, and access to consumer research. The industry as we know it is changing right under our feet. And PPA will help you with things like how to find your ideal client, overcoming those business fears, especially in 2021, I could see that, and how to attract the right clients and what it takes to conquer in-person sales. If you take a look down below in the description, you're gonna find a code, and using that code, you're gonna get a special discount on your membership. Whether you're just beginning or you just wanna go to that next step in your business, PPA will help you. Check them out, link down below, and see you in the next one. Oh, that was corny. I can never avoid the corny outro. It's just, it comes automatic. It's so bad. It's the cookie cutter YouTube outro. One day I'm gonna find something that's just so much, it's just better.